If your engine is shaking like a leaf at a red light and sounds more like a tractor than a smooth running machine, you might be staring at a P0276 code on your scanner. This specific code is telling you that the fuel injector for cylinder number 6 is having a major electrical identity crisis, specifically a low voltage condition in its circuit. Think of your fuel injector as a precision high-speed gate that opens and closes thousands of times a minute to spray a perfect mist of fuel. Or CMC's low voltage on cylinder 6. It means that injector is not firing correctly, which starts a nasty ripple effect through your entire engine. Because that one cylinder is running lean, its temperature spikes, which can cause detonation or knocking. Your knock sensor hears this and tells the computer to retard the timing, which then kills your power and makes your fuel economy drop through the floor. The good news is that in 45 years of turning wrenches, most of these electrical faults turn out to be just a loose or corroded plastic connector rather than a total engine failure. You can actually play detective using a long screwdriver as a stethoscope. Place the tip against the injector and the handle to your ear while the engine is running. You should hear a sharp, rhythmic clicking sound. If cylinder 6 is silent, it is either not getting power or the internal coil has failed. Check the connector pins for any green crusty corrosion and make sure the metal blades are not bent. If the electrical side is fine but the engine still misfires, the injector might just be physically plugged with dirt. Before you spend a bunch of money on a new one, try using a direct fuel injection cleaning kit that runs the engine purely on cleaner for a few minutes. This often clears out the gunk and gets that spray pattern back to factory specs, saving you the hassle of tearing down the fuel rail.